Hi, in today's video I am going to show you the operation of our latest ECP machine model YM2000. You can see the calves has been wrapped around the patient's leg on the calves and the thighs and the upper thighs. It should be wrapped tightly, and the ECG leads have been put on place on right arm, and left leg. And this is the once you start the laptop, this is the opening screen you get. Then you have to switch on the machine. Now we have switched on, and here you will see the icon to start the software. I double click it. If you have saved a patient, you can save the patient name, otherwise for the guest you can continue. I press OK. So this is the opening screen. Once you press the start button, you will start hearing the triggering sound. You can hear. And to refresh the screen, you can use the freeze button. You can press it once, then press again. You may need to use it sometimes, otherwise the graph will appear on its own. Now you can see the graphs have started appearing, and here if you want to, by default the timing set to 60. You need to set the timing. If you want other timing than 60 minutes, you need to set it before you start the session. And so if now you can see everything is in place, so we can start the pump. Now pump has been started. You can see inflation and deflation is on. By default, the delay timing, that is the delay timing on the top, this delay timing is from R to I. That means the R wave to inflation timing is set to 180. When it is set to 180, this means it is on the auto mode, and it is good for the heart rates of 80 and above, so it will adjust automatically. But if you want to set it yourself, then you can increase or decrease this timing. Suppose I want to increase the delay timing from 182, then I will press the plus button. Now 190, 200. You will notice the shape of the graph will change as you change the timing, delay timing from R to I. So if the heart rate is lower, then the delay timing should be more, and if the heart rate is higher, then the delay timing should be lower. For 80 and above, you need not to do anything. The software will do all the setting on its own. But if the heart rate goes below 80, then you may want to increase the timing from 180 to 200, 210, 220, up to 250 you can set. So, and then below it is showing the beats per minute, then SpO2 reading, and then pressure is in mmHg. Currently it's around 300, and then time remaining it's showing. So once the time will over, the session will stop itself, the pump will go off, then you can shut down the machine. and below that is the total time. This shows the total time your machine has run. So every time you run your machine, time will be added to it. And below are the some buttons like pump off. If you want to stop the session, then first you need to pump off, and then let the machine run for around 5-7 seconds, so the air in the cuffs will release, and then you can stop the session and exit the. And then there is a 1:2 ratio there. When you convert to 1:2 ratio, then machine will trigger on every alternate heart cycle. Means it will skip the one heart cycle, and another heart cycle it will trigger. So when the patient's heart rate is above 100, then you may like to switch it to 1:2, so the legs gets the sufficient time to get fill up and you get good augmentation. Then there is a print button. It will ask for the file name in which the screenshot of the screen will be saved. So I will show you now how to exit the session. Suppose now you want to switch off the machine, then first you will press pump off and wait for some time, because still air in there. You can see it's still pumping. Wait for some time and then press stop button. Now valves have also stopped, and you can exit the screen. Thank you.